Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to increase Shopify store speed. Firstly, remove unused Shopify apps. Too many apps is slower store. Go to Shopify admin, then apps. Review each installed apps. Is it adding real value or does it impact site speed? Click the trash icon or delete next to apps you don't use. Secondly, use a fast responsive Shopify theme. Balance style versus performance. Preview demo stores for speed, design, and mobile responsiveness. And also use Shopify free themes like Dawn. Or consider the A/B testing different themes using tools like Google Optimize. Thirdly, optimize images and videos. Use WebP for product images and SVG format for icons and logos. Use tools like Cloud Convert or TinyPNG to keep size under 300 kilobytes per image. Also, use system fonts for speed. System fonts don't require downloading, it loads faster. Recommended are sans serif, or mono. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.